ನಿಮ್ಮಕ್ಕನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರು.
Either one of these malls used to be my house. There are two types of green screen event. Come live. Why? Then I don't want to. I don't like.
Complex thing that every freelancer goes through is to understand how should they price themselves.
This whole video will look shit.
Arre wow, emotion, wow.
You should have faced yourself to face others. You never buy a bikini from Chor Bazaar. Because Chor Bazaar is today we celebrate your achievement, your commitment, and your hard work. He's actually the engine of the whole show.
No, it's fine. Listen.
Go on.
ಈ ಶೋ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್?
ಸಾಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗುರು, ಚಿಂದಿ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ.
Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, hi to everybody and welcome back to Beyond COVID. Oh my God, I made it to the 5th episode of Beyond COVID, which is great. And I hope you all are getting some of the other value out of each episodes that I'm putting up. Today, I have a special guest. I've been trying to get him on board for a while now, and finally, I have made it. This person is an inspiration to me. Not only for me, I'm sure he inspires a lot of MCs out there. He is one of the top MCs in the country. He's done events across the country and across the globe. He's won so many awards for his work. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome the one and only Zuhair Abbas! I really can't believe you're here right now. This is crazy. It's a legit fanboy moment. So, but genuinely, you know, from being passionate about hosting to Googling the top MCs in India to finding out about you, following your work, and then to be able to, you know, to be able to get an opportunity to see your show live, and then to be able to meet you and get a selfie with you. And then to be texting you and getting some, guidance from you. And here I am doing an interview with you. Looks like I've come a long way.
I think I have reached the saturation today.
But legit, thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. How many years it's been, Zuhair, first of all?
I am done with my 13th year and I've just started my 14th year.
Wow, 13 years in the industry.
But that doesn't mean people don't think I'm too old. I'm not that old. I just started way too early.
Yeah. He just started very young. That's why. Oh, and
very young in my life.
Yeah, and for the people who are watching, please don't judge me because of what I'm wearing. Zuhair looks way overdressed. It's not because of this show. It's just that he's completing another show. No. It's fine. Listen.
Go on. Let's be in black today.
No, I didn't mean that. But yeah, he just finished the show. That's why he was all, nice and decked up.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
Thanks for, coming down to my level. Yeah. So my question to you was, how was it back in the days, like 13 years back when you started? I just want to understand the scene. How was it? Because I'm sure it was not the really very common thing to do, or MCing as a profession wasn't even like a thing that people looked up to, right? So how did you overcome some of those challenges, and how did you choose this path? Just that scene in that phase.
The biggest thing you should know is that the first 2 years, my parents by themselves never knew what I was doing.
Okay.
because it was very, very difficult for me to even make them understand what exactly am I doing, what it takes to do this, how things go around and everything. And
right.
If you have to say, like, initial days, I still remember when you've seen this Garuda Mall atriums, Forum Mall atrium, and all these atriums, right?
Yes.
Now you don't see so much happening in those atriums. In those days, at once I'm talking about, every Saturday and Sunday, either one of these malls used to be my house.
Okay.
It's used to be my home. Yeah. So we had this timing of 10 in the morning till 8 in the evening. And it is not just one MC or an anchor or a compere who's going to be there. In Garuda Mall, have you ever seen like 6 stalls, 6 different brand activations, 6 different promotions happening at once. So
At the
what we
same
used to do
place?
back then was, yeah, at that same time, like you
Oh,
can buy 10 by 10 space, according to whatever
oh
your
my
setup
God.
looks like. You
Yeah.
you pick up that space. One is that. So we used to have right round, and every stall had one MC. Okay, and every MC used to do a show for 45 minutes to
Okay.
an hour max. So I do my turn, I finish. At that finishing moment, I say thank you. Then the next MC takes it over from there. Then the
Wow.
next one takes it over from there. Then the next one takes it over from there. So
Crazy.
it was actually fun because um, apart from just hosting shows, it was more of like every weekend used to be like your weekend where you meet your friends, you meet different people. When I say
Exactly.
this, I'm meaning like, for example, in a mall, it's a floating crowd. People are moving around, people are shopping. Well, now that is where you bring in your charm and you bring in your USP, gather people, get
Grab
more
their
people there
attention.
and
Yeah.
grab their attention. I mean, do something which they think it's worth for them to stay there for some time and then leave. That is a big challenge. And I used to love that. Like I used to really love that. Down under, I definitely had that thing, Kida in me, where I used to just pick up whatever I used to get in my hand. If I get, I just stand in front of the mirror and just
And
start
just promote
talking
that.
whatever I want
Wow.
to. Some random shit. I just talk to myself. That see, if that isn't there, I don't think so. You'll be able to go straight onto the stage and do something.
Exactly. Exactly.
You should
Totally.
have faced yourself to face others. It's a very simple thing.
Yep.
It's a
Yep.
very small little proverb which has a lot of meaning. You when you don't face yourself, I don't think so. You will have enough to face anyone in the audience.
Agreed. Agreed. Yeah.
It's a very simple and short thing. And yes, accident happened and
Yeah.
good
But
accident.
when did you, yeah, exactly. A really good accident. I hope such accident happen to everybody. But
I hope too. Yeah, man.
yeah. But when did you get serious about this? When did you tell your parents that, you know what, I don't think I'm going to work. This is what I'm going to do. Is it when you started earning enough, or is it happened, through a process?
It has never been about earning to me. By
Mhm.
God's grace, touch it, God's been grace, God's been absolutely kind enough. So,
Yeah.
can you believe one thing if I tell you nobody believes this? Till
Mhm.
date, in the 13, 14 years of whatever I've been doing around city, country, abroad, my parents have seen me on stage only once.
What? Are you kidding me?
Only once. Only once.
Why so?
See, so I know my parents well. So I've taken them to only one show, and that is when I hosted Kapil Sharma's show in Bangalore. So Kapil
Oh,
Sharma
okay.
performed in Bangalore,
Right.
and I thought this can't get better than this for parents to watch
Exactly.
because everyone watches this special talented comedian on TV. So I thought, why not take them? That is the first, and that is the last.
So generally, what I've seen with senior MCs is once they reach a certain stage, they want to move the next level, which is basically starting their own event company, or they become an event manager, or they become an event consultant. But with you, you've always stuck to, this is my thing, and I will always be an MC. But if that's the case, let me ask you in a very corporate way: where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is your future plans? Can we expect a Zuhair Abbas event company coming soon?
Never,
Never. Oh my God. Okay. Why not?
never. See, I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Event manager, anyone can be.
Okay.
All they need is a good, efficient team. An artist is nothing but he's actually the engine of the whole show. The event team would have worked for like 4 months, 5 months, executing, planning, everything. But that one guy who can actually hold the show is the guy on stage.
Absolutely.
And I would love to be this. I'm okay. I'm okay as long as I am. I
So
don't think so. I
it's
want to be.
right. So it's
No,
always going to be an
no
artist.
event company for me for sure. No event company for sure.
Okay. Perfect. So this is, I mean, you're the right person to advise, and I've already spoken to you about this while messaging, right? So one of the complex things that every freelancer goes through is to understand how should they price themselves. This is, I think, everybody, of course, I've asked you this and you've given me a great advice which I still follow. But for the benefit of all the people who are freelancers, how do a freelancer know that he or she is not overpriced or underpriced? Or how how do they know that, this is how I have to gradually increase? I mean, do you have any
The
tips for that?
only person who knows what you're worth is you.
You're right. Exact same answer I
There's
got
no
back.
one else who knows what you're worth.
Okay.
For example, maybe you would have asked for a client, let's take a guess, a lakh rupees, okay?
Right.
A lakh rupees. And
Yeah.
your client says, no, I do not have that budget. But if
Yeah.
you think that you, wherever you want to drop in, wherever you want to increase, it's up to
Right.
you.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
keep hundred bucks.
Okay.
You're
100
asking for
bucks.
100 bucks, and he says, I have 60 bucks.
60 bucks. Okay.
Now it's up to you to decide where you need to drop, where you also need to drop. But you also need to remember one thing. If you drop to a very drastic way, it doesn't give a good impression on the other side.
That is true. Very true.
It doesn't give a very good impression. One. Second, you might be locked for that same price, or maximum you might have a 10-15% hike. Just to get the show, don't agree for anything.
I know. Yeah.
Like, for example, now, I'm talking about now in this
Yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
A lot of people are saying, oh, no work, no, nothing's happening much. You need 3, 4. Tell me one thing honestly. When we used to do shows when the world was normal, how many days were you working?
Like in a week or in terms of
Month?
events?
Yeah.
4 to 5 days. Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Let's keep an average of 7.
Okay.
Okay, 7 to 8. It's 8.
Mm.
In a very normal world, if you were working for 8 days and rest of the days you were free, in current situation, if you are doing 2, consider yourself as blessed. Dude, we were never working for 30 days a month. There's no
Never.
one who will work for 30 days a month.
No, nobody.
Okay. And if you were doing chalo 15 shows a month, you were still half of the month empty.
Empty.
You were still half of the month free. Why didn't you complain or nag about it then when things were normal? Why are you talking about it now when the whole world is? It's not just Bangalore, it's not about Karnataka, it's not
Agreed.
about India. It's the whole world which is on a pause right now. In this pause, there are a lot of things which you need to be grateful, thankful, and blessed for. One, people like us, we can still work and earn sitting at home. Like
Exactly.
we can just do virtual shows sitting at home. Be blessed about it. In a month, if you're doing, let me take the least number, 2 to 3 shows, you are still earning more than a person who is working for a month.
Absolutely.
Be grateful for that. Yes, no doubt that the industry has got a big hit, but also this industry is the industry which will come back big bang, man. There's no second thoughts about it.
All right, guys. Here we go. The blah blah game with the one and only Zuhair Abbas. Zuhair, and your first word is this.
Socks is something which I like to be very colorful. Socks is something which I really, there used to be a time when I used to match socks. I used to match my tie with my socks. I used to match my pocket square with my socks. And there used to be school days where my socks used to stink. And then I came into the socks business to my toothbrush. Early morning, the first thing I see is my friend who used to have a toothbrush. Well, that is also connected again. You brush because your mouth stinks. And I don't think anybody would love to see you stinking. That's why the socks and the toothbrush go in. And bikini. And bikini is something which will never suck for sure. Because bikini is something which always excites everyone. Either it could be a bright color socks, it could be a bright toothbrush, and then it could be a bright bikini which makes the day brighter. And the bikini is going to be, it's a langa downy of the Western culture. That's about it, I will say. Bikini.
Okay.
Bikini is Chor Bazaar. Yes, you never buy a bikini from Chor Bazaar. Because Chor Bazaar is all from the chores which are taking it over. And bikinis are never available there. You can get a toothbrush there. You can get a socks there. But you can only find chor in a Chor Bazaar, not a bikini. But yes, bikini can also find, but Chor Bazaar you will definitely find cow dung because it is filled with cow dung with people around there. And sometimes my toothbrush, I think some paste look like cow dung, which is green in color, which is rubbish. And sometimes I like the green colors to be the bikini because it's too bright, it's too eye catchy. And the Chor Bazaar is going to be looking like a cow dung only. And then you go to this very special while you pick up a bright socks, you pick up a bright toothbrush, you pick up a bright bikini, then you go to the chor bazaar where you didn't find anything, then you saw the cow dung, and then you saw this star who is the star in the making, who's already a star. Go Cool. His name is only, he is ready to go and be cool. That's why his
Cool.
name is Go Cool.
Amazing! Wow! Crazy. You know, I was scared whether he would connect me to Cowding and say he looks like a duck.
No. I can't
Ah,
connect you to cow dung. You're a star, my
this
friend. You can.
is brilliant, Zuhair. Like, crazy job. I think this piece in itself is going to go viral. I'll send this thing to you. Superb. How do you like the game? So, but then you have come through that phase, right? Now you have started doing these virtual events, and now you know the biggest thing that is happening in the industry is the green screen events, what I call, and you just adapted to it like this. I mean, so can you talk us through
See,
what's
adapt.
in the current, you know, the green screen events, or how it works technically? I mean, just to get an idea of all of it.
See, green screen is, there are two types of green screen event.
Okay.
One, you do a live show,
Yep.
like however we're talking right now, and
Right,
it's
right.
stream live. The other one is you pre-record the show.
Okay.
Live is equally like a stage show.
Exactly.
If you do a mistake, you can still say something and go forward.
Right.
Pre-record is not that. This is more challenging than your real events, because here you need to do 1 day of rehearsals with them, then you need to go there. If you're recording the show, it's another pain, because there'll be 2 paragraphs which you are looking into the camera with all the expressions, you're looking and you're saying ha ha ha. The last second line, you do one small glitch, someone says stop, again you go from the top.
Oh my God. Okay.
Now that is not easy,
True.
because in one momentum you go ahead, you keep going,
Yeah.
and then something comes in picture, stop. But again, this green screen is there to stay. It is not impossible, but it is tough.
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
It's
I
not
understand.
easy as well.
Yeah, because I did a recorded event, and trust me, I've never suffered. Then, you know,
You know
I
what? I'll tell you the truth.
Mm.
All of us are so used to changing things like this. For example, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gokul Das is your name.
Yeah.
So I will say, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gokul Das Jan, whatever I say,
I know.
Das same. So while people are starting to clap, then you realize that you've done a mistake.
Yeah.
Then once again you correct yourself and say, let's give it up one more time for Gokul Das.
Exactly. Yes.
You will punch more on that word which you've done a mistake.
We know how to handle that false. I mean, mistakes that we do. Yeah.
So that you can't do here.
I know. We have to be on the dot. So, any tips on
And
how to
in-
improve? You know, how to get a hang of that camera thing.
read anything and everything. Like for example, I'm sure you will have old scripts in your mailbox.
Mhm.
Take a print out of it, stick that onto the mirror,
Oh.
stick onto the mirror, look in front, stand, and imagine you are doing a show. The more comfortable you become looking at yourself is the more comfortable you become with camera.
Agree. Yeah.
Because not everyone is camera friendly.
True.
I'll be honest with you, I'm not camera friendly either. I'm being brutally honest with you. I'm not camera friendly either. Here, your audience is your camera. You cannot, like, for example, if I'm talking to you like this, it'll make sense. If I look here and if I talk to you, this whole video will look shit.
I know. Yeah.
Mirror is because you can see yourself. You can see how you're reacting, how your facial expression is. You can see how. See, most important thing in today's green screen is your pace.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our next sponsor. No, the pause.
Oh, makes sense.
The diction makes a lot of difference. For example, I have a script in front of me right now. I'll just read it to you.
Sure.
There are two ways of reading this.
Mm-hmm.
It can be like this. Today we are celebrating someone who can be called as an all-rounder. Your birthday was blah, 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 blah. Your special day was this, the year where. No. Today we celebrate someone who is really special. Today, we celebrate your achievement, your commitment, and your hard work. And that's the reason we are here to celebrate you.
Wow.
So that pause makes a lot of difference. The pause.
This is damn cool. This is damn cool, guys. I'm so lucky we got a live, live snippet of what the green screen Zuhair looks like. That's amazing. But what you did was really amazing, and I think the purpose of the show is achieved because we legit got some tips for all the MCs out there. We know how the future is going to be, and Zuhair just showed us a glimpse of what it takes to achieve what you want in this new normal. Thank you so much for that, Zuhair. Now, I have a very interesting question to ask. And nowadays, right, any artist to be socially active has become like one, the mandate. But with you, of course, you have a YouTube channel, of course, you have an Instagram account, but you were never really bothered about creating content or putting constantly or, posting every day. You were just, yeah, I'll just post it whenever I can. But so is it because this whole social media wave came in after you hit the success level, or is it because you don't think it's important? What is your take on that?
See, when we started,
Mm-hmm.
when I say we, there are so many other guys, like a very dear friend of mine, and also a very
Mithun?
eminent host, Nitin,
Yeah.
Asif,
Shabir Bhai.
Divya, Pallavi. Shabir is senior, Pallavi is senior, Divya is senior,
Okay.
Riaz is senior.
Yep.
So we all, when we started, it was something called as Orkut
Awkward. Yeah, I know.
and Facebook.
Yeah,
Okay, but Facebook was not this Facebook.
I
It
know.
was a different Facebook altogether.
Sure.
So so today, no, I am very happy for the ones who are starting now, for the ones who are actually taking forward, that you have the biggest support system today. It's very easy for you to connect with an agency in Delhi.
True.
Back then, it was not at all for us.
Yeah.
We used to do work here, and if there is an outsourced office, operating office in their other city,
Yep.
this guy would pass a message to them saying that, okay, this guy is good.
Okay.
That's how you used to do. But now it is so easy and convenient for you to connect with anyone and everyone about anything.
Right.
And coming to your question, as I said, it is not mandatory again. Why do you want to prove it that you're active? Why do you want to prove that you're doing great? I am absolutely not against it. That
Okay.
never you come live. Why? Then I don't want to. I don't like. It's not about I don't like. I feel it's okay. It's okay
Yeah.
not to be socially active.
Right.
I won't say it is not important. Social media is definitely important.
Mhm.
But again, don't do for the sake of doing it.
I know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have Zuhair Abbas, who's going to hit this wonderful dialogue. What if this movie was made in Hollywood and Zuhair was the star?
Okay.
Action.
One drop of red color powder's price. What would you know, Ramesh Babu?
Arre wow. Emotion. Wow, wow, wow.
Hmm.
Hey, ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾವ ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಬಾವ ನಿಮ್ ಅಕ್ಕನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರು. Okay, cool. Okay, ready? Take 2. Action.
Inmele, his father is your uncle
Uh-huh.
and your brother-in-law, your sisters. Take care.
Where did the Rajni come from here?
That's the South Indian of me comes out, dude.
Superb. Good job, Zuhair. Superb. Thank you for
Thank you.
being very sportive on this. So, any final words of encouragement or words of motivation to all the upcoming MCs or artists who are kind of going through a tough phase?
I won't say motivation, I won't say encourage, because at the end of the day, I'm also in the same boat. But all I would say is, as always, everyone is saying, it's a phase. This was there and this will pass by.
Yeah.
But all you need to do is just be strong here. It is more important. I won't say anything more than that. Just be strong in your head. Talk to yourself. If you feel bored, pick up the phone, call your friends, stay with your family, eat good food, sleep well, eat well, work out well,
Wow.
smile well, spread a lot of love, and just be who you are, man. Don't try to be someone else. Just be who you are. You can be a comedian, you can be a singer, you can be anything. Just be what you are, and most importantly, remember who you are. Don't let yourself forget who you are and try to portray something else in front of the world just to be active and just to show that you are there. It's simple. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay mentally fit.
ಈ ಶೋ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್?
ಸಾಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಗುರು, ಚಿಂದಿ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ.
Thank you. Brilliant again.
And for the ones who are going to watch this show, go follow this star, because later his profile might get pulled and you will not get to enter, because Facebook can allow only 5,000 people, and the earlier the better. Like him, subscribe to him, and later you will not get a chance to get inside. That's why I've already added him. In future, I will get some work from him. That's why.
This piece alone is going on the teaser. Okay?
Go for it.